Are you ready to transform your productivity skills into a stream of passive income in 2025? If you're a fan of Notion or simply love organizing your life, there's exciting news. You can earn real money online by selling Notion templates. No need to be a designer or coder. Let's explore how you can start this journey. In 2025, Notion has evolved into a vast ecosystem. From students to startup founders, everyone is using it to track goals, manage teams, and even write books. This means there's a huge market for ready-made templates. People crave plug-and-play productivity solutions, and businesses seek quick setups for CRMs, trackers, and SOPs. Your templates can save time and help others stay organized. To begin creating Notion templates, you'll need a few essentials: a free Notion account, Canva or Figma for designing covers and previews, and a method to clone and duplicate your templates for others. Set up a store on platforms like Gumroad or Payhip to sell them. Optionally, use email marketing tools like ConvertKit or Payhip. Remember, you don't need to be a designer. Start simple with Notion's existing blocks like tables, databases, and calendars. Focus on utility over complexity. Curious about what people are buying in 2025? Here are some top-selling Notion templates dominating the market: personal finance trackers, student organizers, daily planners, social media calendars, business CRMs, goal-setting dashboards, digital product launch kits, and AI-powered writing planners. A pro tip: micro niches are winning. Instead of a generic business CRM, consider targeting freelance graphic designer CRM or Notion for Etsy sellers. How much can you earn? Here's a realistic scenario. Price your template at $12.99 and make 10 sales a week, earning $129. That's over $500 a month from just one template. Now, imagine having 10 templates selling consistently. Set it up once, market it well, and let it run. The beauty of digital products lies in zero shipping, zero stock, and infinite scalability. Ready to launch? Here are the best platforms to sell your templates in 2025. Gumroad, known for its ease of setup and trustworthiness. Payhip, ideal for international creators. And Notion marketplaces like Notionary, Gridfeedy, and indie sellers. Don't forget your own email list, a long-term moneymaker. To go viral, promote your templates on TikTok, Instagram Reels, Pinterest, and YouTube Shorts. Don't have a following? No problem. Here's how to build buzz from scratch. Create demo videos with screen recordings, offer a free template in exchange for emails, reach out to Notion YouTubers for shoutouts, and share your behind-the-scenes creation process on Reddit and Twitter. Enhance your Gumroad listing with SEO keywords like Notion templates for productivity or Best Notion Planners 2025. Many creators have turned Notion templates into full-time income. Marie Poulain made 5 figures with her Notion Mastery templates, while Thomas Frank built a 6-figure business selling dashboards. New creators on TikTok have gone viral with niche templates for students and coaches. Their secret? Start simple, deliver value, and don't overthink it. You don't need to code or have a huge audience. All you need is one great idea, a Notion page, and the will to start. Selling Notion templates in 2025 is a beginner-friendly passive income opportunity with low cost, low barrier, and high potential. Your next digital product business could be just one Notion page away.